Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch Series 9 to an Android phone. It's important to understand that Apple Watch devices are specifically engineered to work within the Apple ecosystem. This means they are designed for exclusive compatibility with iPhones. Unfortunately, direct pairing or full integration with an Android smartphone is not supported by Apple's software or hardware design. The primary reason for this incompatibility lies in Apple's integrated ecosystem. watchOS, the operating system for the Apple Watch, is deeply intertwined with iOS, the iPhone's operating system. This integration is crucial for security, data synchronization, and overall performance. Android phones simply do not possess the proprietary software or communication protocols necessary to establish a full and functional connection with an Apple Watch. Without an iPhone, an Apple Watch cannot be initially set up or activated. This means you won't be able to pair it, receive notifications from your Android phone, or track health and fitness data that syncs to an Android app. Furthermore, essential functions like installing new applications, updating the watch's software, or making calls directly from the watch will be unavailable. If you are an Android user seeking a smartwatch, there are many fantastic alternatives available that offer seamless integration with your device. Brands like Samsung, Google, and others produce smartwatches specifically designed for the Android ecosystem. These devices provide comprehensive health tracking, notification management, and app support, ensuring a fully functional and satisfying user experience with your Android phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.